This is your first and most important step in integration, and that's integrating your Shopify or your WooCommerce store to AdBeacon. So for these specific instructions, we're going to be really focused on Shopify. So immediately as you go into your account, you'll see the integration portion and you'll see Shopify. So go ahead and click Shopify for me. Right away, something similar is going to pop up. This account's already connected, but right away you'll see here, it'll ask you for your Shopify store URL. Make sure that this is your domain. This is not going to be that Shopify URL. So here, as an example, here's the HTTPS URL for this client. The next step is it's going to ask you about the currency. Make sure you choose the correct currency. This one is specifically USD. If yours varies, go ahead and connect the correct one. Now you will have a tracking code that is specific to your account. Make sure you go ahead and copy this. If you have any questions with this process, again, you can call us right here. You can email us. You can scan to call. We're here for you. Or you can just follow along this video. Now, you went ahead and copied this. Go ahead and open your Shopify store on another tab. I've already gone ahead and done that here. So as you see, you'll go ahead to the online store and click Themes. When you're in Themes, go ahead and click the Customize button on the far right. In this view, you'll see 3 dots to the right of the Live button. Go ahead and click that for me. And you're going to go ahead and click Edit Code. Now keep in mind that this AdBeacon script is going to go in 2 places. The first place this is going to go is within your header. So as you can see, this is the beginning of the header. Keep in mind that our AdBeacon code needs to be at the bottom of the header. So as you can see here, that /head is the bottom of the header. So right above it, you'll go ahead and put your AdBeacon code. As you can see, we've already done that for this client. And once that's implemented, you're going to go ahead and click Save. So one of 2 things is done. We're going to go ahead and do the second thing. So you'll go back, exit, and you're going to go ahead and click Settings on the bottom left-hand side of your store. You'll go ahead and click Checkout, and you'll scroll all the way to the bottom. Now in this bottom section, it's going to be titled Order Status Page. You're going to go ahead and put that AdBeacon script one more time. I like to put it at the very bottom. As you can see, we did that right here. And you can go ahead and click Save, and you should be good to go. You're all set. Now, when you go back into AdBeacon, it'll ask you to verify or connect. Once it's connected accurately and verified, this will turn green and you'll be connected and good to go. Please let us know if you have any questions or have any issues. We're here to help you.